In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve high-performance concrete that actually lasts and works like a charm for your construction projects. You know, getting the mix design right is everything. It's not just throwing cement and water together. Start by choosing the right cement type and combining it with quality aggregates that have the right size and shape, so your concrete packs a punch in strength and durability. Don't forget water-cement ratio. Keeping it low but workable is key to avoid weak spots. I always recommend adding supplementary cementitious materials like fly ash or silica fume because they boost strength and reduce permeability, which means your concrete resists cracking and damage better. When it comes to curing, think of it as giving your concrete the hydration it needs, keep it moist and at the right temperature for at least 7 days to help it reach its full potential. Also, using curing compounds or wet coverings like burlap can make a huge difference in preventing moisture loss early on. If you're mixing on-site, consistency is everything, so make sure you measure everything precisely and mix thoroughly to avoid pockets of dry or overwet mix. Lastly, consider using admixtures like superplasticizers. They help improve workability without adding more water, which keeps your concrete solid and strong. One of the biggest mistakes people make when aiming for high-performance concrete is neglecting proper curing regimes, which causes early drying and weakens the whole structure. Just keep that surface moist and covered. Another common slip-up is ignoring the water-cement ratio. Too much water means weaker concrete, so always measure carefully and don't eyeball it. The third thing I see a lot is poor material selection. Using low-quality aggregates or skipping supplementary materials can tank your mix's strength, so always source good stuff and include additives that enhance performance. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with local contractors who actually know their stuff, making sure your project gets done right without the hassle. Plus, for contractors looking to find reliable work and build their reputation, it's a solid platform that connects them with people who need their skills.